Hello, everyone, and welcome to our overview of Jasper AI. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Jasper AI is your go-to writing assistant. Struggling with writer's block? Jasper AI is here to help. Just input your topic and watch as Jasper crafts captivating blog posts tailored to your style and audience. For e-commerce mavens, Jasper AI is a game changer. It effortlessly generates persuasive product descriptions, highlighting key features to boost your sales. In the social media arena, Jasper AI is your ally, crafting engaging content that resonates with your followers. Need compelling ad copy? Jasper AI has got you covered. It produces content that captures attention and drives campaigns. Adding to its versatility, Jasper now creates stunning AI-generated art, perfect for blogs and marketing materials. Brainstorming just got easier with Jasper Chat. This feature assists in refining ideas and generating detailed content outlines. Jasper AI adapts to your brand voice, ensuring a consistent tone across all your content. And with the Jasper AI Chrome extension, this powerful tool integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Affordable and accessible, Jasper AI offers different pricing tiers to suit your needs, starting at $49 per month. Jasper AI, your partner in content creation. Unlock your creative potential and streamline your content strategy today. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.